Hey, what's up family, how you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. More love to you. If you're back, tunakupenda sana. Thank you for staying. I hope you're gonna stay mpaka mwisho. So today guys, we're going to be preparing an amazing dish. I'm going to be doing minji stew or beef stew just straight away. Let's get into the ingredients. So with me, I have garlic powder over here. Then I have coriander, then I have paprika, I have curry powder, I have some carrots, I have my tomatoes, I have grated them. Then I'm going to use soy sauce. It's not dark, it's light. I have tomato paste, and I have the peas themselves. I've already boiled them. And with me here, I have my onions. So let's get into the cooking. So I'm going to put my oil and let my onions cook, and continue. Okay, so my onions look good today guys. I don't have garlic, so I'm going to be using garlic powder. This is enough. Okay, then I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then because I want them to cook together, I have paprika with me here. I love paprika. Just make sure kulingana na how you want it. Then I have coriander. Today I also don't have dhania. That's why I'm using this one. Carrots. Remember, I love some crunchy. I'm going to leave this and I'll put it at the end of it all. Then we're adding tomato paste, a big soup, and dark color. 1, 2. Nice. Some salt, nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this cook kidogo, then now put our peas. Yeah, guys, looking all good. Ooh, yapendeza jamani. Wow. So guys, I'm going to add my peas right now. Making sure nothing. And voila. Wow. This stew is almost becoming something else. So obviously I have to add some water. I need to add water for it to cook. And when you're using soy sauce, I think you can use the dark one. I want to use soy sauce because I want to make it more dark kidogo. So just like that. Time to cook, and I'm going to be back. Guys, roughly it's been 8 minutes, and as you can see, my stew is looking amazing, and don't want the soup to finish, but as you can see, the soup is thick and I'm loving it. So this is where I add my carrots, because it depends with you. For me, I love them crunchy at the end of it all. So, and guys, this is my final stew. Today I don't have coriander to garnish it with, but it looks beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching that video. I hope it has been informative, helpful, and you've loved it. So yeah, from me to you guys, till next time, goodbye. By the way, you can serve it with rice, with chapati, with any accompaniment that you love. So yeah, thank you for watching.